All right, job of the day. I'm gonna do bearings, check brakes on this single axle two-wheel JLG, because there's no axles on these. Check it, make sure it goes up and down, make sure all the systems work, but bearings, check his brakes, and check all the lights. Trailer's plugged in. We got, obviously backup lights are gonna be blinking, but we also have right turn blinking, so I'll see what's going on with that. Let's see what we got for running lights. Good, driver's side running light is on. I got some diodes out on that. Nothing on the right turn. Yeah, nothing right turn. How about left turn? We got some lights on the left turn. Diode, we got 3 diodes working. All right, so we might have to order some lights. Passenger side front, good, good. All right, and we'll lift it up, check brakes. All right, driver's side's off the ground. Brakes are on, brakes are locked up on that, and it's free spinning. See, passenger side's free spinning. Brakes are on, brakes work. And then it goes back to free spinning. Maybe, might have to WD-40 some of the top of that thing. Go back to free spinning. Yeah, good. Tear that down, do bearings. Passenger side, backing plate, looks perfect. Magnet's perfect, magnet surface and brake shoe surface is perfect. Spindle's clean, just gonna put the hub on. And driver's side, backing plate is also perfect. Magnet's good. Brake shoes have about 80% life left in them. Hub is good, everything's smooth, all surfaces, and put it on. Hub and drum is installed, cotter key is on the driver's side. Passenger side, cotter key is installed, gonna pound dust caps. I need my remote, there it is. Alright, passenger side, free spinning, brakes are on, locked up, brakes are off, free spinning. With the tire on, passenger side, free spinning, brakes are on, brakes are off, free spinning. Slight rubbing on the brakes, perfect. Driver's side, free spinning, brakes are on, brakes locked up, brakes are off, free spinning. Alright, with the tire on, free spinning, brakes are on, brakes are off, and free spinning. Alright, moving to do lights. I did invest in some straight wrenches just for this purpose, because on his other one I couldn't get my wrench behind it easily. So I'm going to tear this down. I already saw a broken wire. Yeah, it's not even connected, so I'll see if I can fix it real fast. Looks like when it got tightened down, this wire got smashed. Hopefully there's enough meat that I can strip that and put a new one on. But marker light was off, so I'm gonna put new butt connectors there. All right, I think I got enough on that, but we'll find out. I'm gonna shrink wrap this stuff and get it back on, see if it works. All right, I'm getting power to the running lights, but I am not getting power to the right turn. I'm gonna open up that 7-way in the front and see if that's the issue. All right, I am getting power to the post. I stripped the wire down there. I'm not getting power down there, although, let me retest. I take it back. I am getting power down there, but I just need to find where it's broken because I'm not getting power at the back for the right turn. I'm getting marker lights back there, but the light's not turning on either. All right, right turn, getting good power. Let's do tail tag, getting good power. Okay, let's put these wires back together. All right, I'll do right turn. I got grounded on it. It is not blinking on right turn. Turn tail tag on, which is marker lights. I am getting good power off of marker lights. Why is this wire not working? Why does it happen on these trailers? All right, for some reason all of a sudden now I'm getting power to it. 12.4, 12.4, 12.4. Okay. I opened up that and jiggled a little bit. There's no break in the green wire right there, so I'm not sure why it's working right now. Let me try tail tag, make sure that's still good. Yep. All right. Let me see if this LED light works now. I know I'm getting good power back here. And tail tag is on. Nothing. Right turn. Nothing on right turn. Okay, this light's bad. All right, game plan. I'm gonna leave that light on there. I'm gonna order 2 new lights for this trailer. I really hope that trailer doesn't need lights. That's the next one I gotta work on, do bearings and stuff. But I'm gonna button this up, put the light back on, let him know his lights are not working on the right side. They are working semi on the left side. I'll order in some LEDs for him. I did forget an LED light for that one over there, but I know that light's working. So at least it's not an emergency. That light's working on the one that I worked on last week. But for some reason these backlights are working semi on that side and not working at all on this side. Alright, the wheel bearing service is done on this. I need to come back, do lights. I'm gonna torque the lug nuts and then move to the next trailer. Alright, test and make sure all the systems work. Comes up fine, goes down. Good, drop deck works. And motor sounds great, nice and strong, going up nice and smooth. Clipped in, drop it down on the clip. Good to go. Alright, this trailer's good. Obviously got to come back for lights, but this one's done and I'm on to the next. Let's go over this. Did bearings, check brakes, everything's good. New bearings, new seals, new grease. I tightened or torqued the lug nuts. I did not need to adjust the brakes because the brakes are good. All the systems work. I'm going to move on to the next trailer. I'm on to the next.